and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Chinese chicken omelette. The ingredients are in the recipe box below. We are just using some leftover barbecue chicken here. That's actually just a quarter of a chicken cut off the bone. Leave the skin on, there's plenty of flavour there. We're making a sort of Chinese sauce to go with it, and we're just adding some parsley, spring onions, potato starch or potato flour, which is going to thicken our sauce, some sesame oil and some fish sauce, and some onions. We add a little water to our eggs, and that makes them nice and fluffy when we whip them up. Okay, now just mix our eggs up till they're well combined. The water will make nice fluffy omelette. We're going to add our fish sauce. That's quite salty. A little splash of soy sauce, and just put that to one side. Okay, to our wok on medium-high, we just add some chicken stock and some soy sauce. And we're going to add our potato starch to a little water and dissolve it, and that is going to be our thickener for our Chinese sauce. You don't want it too thick, you just want it to sort of coat our omelette, but if you do happen to make it a bit thick, just thin it down with a little more water. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, we just tip our hot sauce out of our wok so we can use it later, and put this to one side. Okay, the wok's been washed out and it is back on a medium heat. We're adding some peanut oil. We're going to fry off our onions and our cabbage. Anything first. Starting to get a bit of colour on our cabbage and our onions now. We just drizzle over our sesame oil. Lots of flavour there. Once those vegetables have just lost a little bit of their crispiness, we're going to throw in our chicken and our parsley and then condense to make our omelette. Very, very fast in this step. I've already steamed some rice to serve it with, just plain steamed rice. Okay, onions are a little bit translucent now, so we're sending in our chicken. It's been cut into small pieces. And we want to heat this through. Parsley's in now. And we'll heat back a little bit. We don't want our eggs to go all rubbery. One final wazzy up before we pour our eggs in. Okay, now let that set a little bit, and then we'll start to commence just flipping over portions of it. Okay, you can see it's starting to set in places, so we're just going to get our lifter underneath it and turn it over. We don't want it to burn, but we do want it to cook through. You're only cooking the egg at this stage, everything else in that pan is cooked. Okay, we've just got some steamed rice in a little bowl, which we've wet with some cold water and made it into a little mould. And we're just going to position our chicken omelette around the edges. You can see it's beautifully cooked. And then drizzle it with our sauce. This is a great way to use up leftover chicken. It tastes delicious. It's very fast, as you can see. And it's pretty economical. You've got a meal there before using a quarter of a chicken and a half a dozen eggs. Okay, then we just drizzle our sauce over the top. It's still really quite hot, as much or as little as you like. This is even delicious on top of the rice. And then sprinkle the whole lot with our sliced fresh spring onions. And there you have it, Cheekyricho Cooking's Chinese chicken omelette using leftovers. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho Cooking channel, and don't forget to please subscribe and do come back and visit us again soon. We have so much more to show you, and we're uploading lots of videos. And thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Try some of our chicken and some of our egg. Beautifully seasoned. The chicken's still nice and tender, and it's got a nice smoky flavour. Thanks for watching.